man and woman died in defense of the freedom of the Philippines during the dark days of the Japanese occupation in 1941 to 1945. Fort Santiago, one of the oldest fortifications in Manila, built in 1571 on the site of the native settlement of Raha Soleno. First, Fort Santiago was a palisaded structure of logs and earth, destroyed in the Limahong attack in 1574 stone, for built between 1589 and 1592. Damage in the 1645 earthquake, repaired and straightened from 1658 to 1663. Became the headquarters of the British Occupation Army from 1762 to 1764, repaired and renovated in 1778. Former headquarters of the Philippine Division of the U.S. Army, occupied by the Japanese military in 1942, where hundreds of civilians guerrillas were imprisoned, tortured, and executed, destroyed in the Battle of Manila in 1945. The trial of Rizal Trial was held on December 26, 1896 at 8 a.m. At the Hall of Banners of the Centro de España de Intramuros. The prosecution arrived that Rizal was the founder of an illegal and secret organization with revolution as a primary objective, and which would install Rizal in the head of the Free Philippines. The defense agreed that Rizal's guilt was unproven since the evidence were based on the past works and writings which all attended the revolution, and that no tribunal should enforce punishment for the previous misdetermination. Soldiers at the rear stood ready with Moser rifles in the execution when Rizal Travel de Andrade, a military doctor, took his post, then proceed. The legacy of Rizal, whose excellence is alive in the heart of the every Filipino as well here. Through his writings, and ideas, we see and experience his greatness and heroism. This gallery presents Rizal's legacy to the nation, especially his views and works related to education, culture, nationality identity, social equality, science in the environment, and economic. References to the storage books and powder magazine of the Baluarte de Santa Barbara because of dampness caused by the humid weather and the nearness of the falls to the Pasig River. The scholars decided to build a new powder magazine on top of the Baluarte in 1715. The boats were converted into prison cells and stored rooms when the Casa del Castellano, Fort Commander's residence, was built in 1716.